Hey guys, welcome to Ranjit Anas Minpin channel. If you're new and you have still not subscribed the channel, press the bell icon so you would receive our notification when we upload any new videos. Today in our channel, we are going to see how Mike is arguing with my mom and maid to come inside the home. In addition to that, we are going to see Shih Tzu puppy at the end of our video. Now you can see Mike arguing with my mom.
यार வேணும் யார் வேணும் உள்ள இப்ப வர வேண்டாம் தொடச்சிட்டு போலாம் தொடச்சிட்டா வீடு தொடச்சிட்டு அக்கா வீடு தொடச்சிட்டு போலாம் ஏன் வெளியே வேணாவா அம்மா சண்டை போடக்கூடாது எதுக்கு இப்ப கத்துற சும்மா பேசாத வாயை மூடு உள்ள போணுமா சொல்லு உள்ள போணுமா போலாமா உள்ள போலாமா கத்தக்கூடாது கத்தாதன்னு சொன்னேன் அண்ணனை கூப்பிடு போலாம் ரஞ்சித் அண்ணனை கூப்பிடு உள்ள போலாம் பிடிக்க சொல்லு அண்ணனை பிடிக்க சொல்லு ரஞ்சித் கூப்பிடு ரஞ்சித்தை கூப்பிடு ரஞ்சித் கூப்பிடு ரஞ்சித் கூப்பிடு.
In the previous clip, you can see Mike fighting with my mom to come inside. Usually when we are cleaning our home, we don't keep Mike inside. We would put him in his cage and place him in the veranda. Reason behind he does not allow our maid to clean our home. First thing. Second thing is that though we have toys for him, his love for mopstick and broomsticks are way too high. Here in this clip, Mike and my maid are fighting. My maid, without knowing, she threw his football. Mike got so pissed off. You can see him fighting with her, asking why did she threw his football. She was playing with him for nearly 5 to 10 minutes. He was actually growling that why did she threw his football. How many times she threw, he went, took his ball and placed in his favorite spot. I just want to show you guys how Mike reacts when one touches his favorite bowl or his toys. He does not want his toys or his personal things to be touched. Mike is really good at back answering. When you ask some questions to him, if you ask him, did you do this? He would back answer you that saying he didn't do it. We normally don't tie Mike. Only while cleaning the home, we tie him. Apart from that, he is given full freedom in our home. I literally don't know what my maid and Mike speak. They speak all random stories of their own. So here you can see Mike and my maid is talking to each other. We always refer her as Akka. So whenever we say Mike, Akka has come, he knows that she has come. Actually, this is the third broomstick which we purchased recently. You can see how Mike is so happy. You can see him wagging his tail. I'm just fast forwarding the video because it's a very lengthy video. I just don't want to make you guys bored. So here she's asking him to go out and stay for a while, but he doesn't listen to her. He purposely comes inside and sits there due to which she's not able to clean the house. This is why we tie Mike, because he keeps intervening her while cleaning. You can see when she's trying to sweep the floor, Mike goes and tries to snatch the broomstick. I'm just fast forwarding this video for you guys. Mike is way too tired and the temperatures are way too high. This video is around 12 p.m. in the afternoon after all the cleaning work is done. Mike is also very tired and I'm also very tired. You can see there our AC is not working, so alternate we have air cooler for Mike. Mike literally needs the atmosphere to be a little cool. Otherwise he will not sleep. He will just lay down and keep watching us. We usually run the AC in our hall, but now you can see how Mike drastically goes for a sleep once we switch on the air cooler. So we have switched on the air cooler and we have placed it beside him. There you can see my little baby goes for a sleep. Unfortunately, there is a power off, so Mike woke up and he starts to pester me again. There he is giving me so much kisses. Once the power comes, he just goes beside the air cooler and lays down leisurely. In some time, he would completely go for a rest. Now he has gone into deep sleep. He's just checking that I'm beside him or not. I really like the way he sleeps on the floor, so I just pat him and give some rub. This is how we try to keep him cool. There is one good friend of mine. He is so much crazy in pets. Yesterday he bought a Shih Tzu puppy who is 45 days old. He sent me this video, so I asked him whether I can post his video on my channel. He just said yes, of course. So he didn't still name the puppy, so once he names it, I will tell his name. In my next video, I will post cocktails and baby cocktails, how he takes care and how he hand feeds them. You can also buy birds from him. He's providing at very reasonable price. Thanks for your valuable time watching our video. This means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Until then, it's bye from Ranjit and his Minpin Mike. Stay safe, stay home.